Hey yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to call myself an ugly youth, but I'm not even an ugly youth. I'm a sexy youth, you understand? Gal all over the globe wanna up me, you understand? Fuck up the vibe, my dick start running like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV, that won't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, baby, I need a free lick.
Hi sugars, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And you know what time it is? It's another day, another dollar, another vloggy vlog. And welcome, guess where I am? Obvious, stamping passports and shits. Oh, language. Stamping passports and stuff. So I am in Lesotho. I'm kidding. I am in Lesotho, and then yeah, we are here for like a car race event, drag race. I don't know what they call it, but it's an event where, you know, nice fast cars like just compete against each other and whatnot. So left Joburg yesterday around, what time did we leave Joburg again? We left Joburg around 9. Yeah, around 9, because we were waiting for other people from Botswana so that we can go together. So that's what took long. So yesterday, yeah, I went to work, and then after work I waited for him, and then yeah, we left, and then we arrived this morning. So we basically left yesterday, and then we arrived here like in the AMs. So yeah, and then obviously, you know what I mean, I am now awoken and I look cutesy. Guys, I look so nice. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying, but the point is I am here, and this is another vlog. Stay on this vlog, enjoy the vlog, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And let me show you guys my outfit of the day, which I don't know where is the nice lights in this house. Is so nice. I took a video for you guys to see how it looks. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day. It's this 2-piece that I got from Expect, and I have this what is this? These are another Crocs, yes. And then what else? Then I got my cute face by my mama, and then my nails were done by this other girl from around where I stay. And yeah, so this tracksuit, the pants is a bit bigger, yeah, but my cousin said no, it looks fine. So I wanted to return it. I couldn't find a right size, but because like I like this two-piece, I don't want to give it away or whatever, because I couldn't find the size. So yeah, my cousin just said it looked nice, and I think I do look nice. Africa look nice? What do you guys think? And the most exciting thing about this place is that they have so many books. Guys, Mina, I'm like, okay, I'm not a bookworm per se, but I'm a bookworm. Like, I like reading, but like, I don't like reading. No, I like reading, but I'm lazy to read. Something like that, you get. So right now, I just got this book, The 5 a.m. Club by Robin. I'm sure you guys know this book. Like, I've been wanting it. It's like, it's costly. This book is costly. So I've been wanting it for a while. And here is the book, guys. Here is the book. And I get the opportunity to read it. So far, I'm in page 9. And I'm enjoying every bit of it. I think if it really shifts something in me, I'm gonna have to sacrifice and obviously, you know, get the book. So yeah, spend the weekend with me. It's actually not even a weekend, guys, because honestly, we are just here for one day. Tomorrow we are leaving. And then, oh, Monday is a holiday. Beautiful news. Monday is a holiday, so I might be proceeding with the vlog, but not doing travel stuff or whatever, like where I am now. Maybe back at home. Yeah, see what's happening and what's popping. So with no further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let the weekend begin. So this is my pie for yesterday. Maban, I didn't have appetite to eat, so I didn't eat it. Lucky for me, I can eat it now, and it tastes so good. Burger, cheese or whatever. Like, now that I know how to make pies, I know I can make this. Like, I know, and I'm going to do it. I see cheese. I taste cheese, and then I taste burger, something sweet. I don't know what is sweet, but something is sweet in here.
Fuck up the vibe, my dick. Start running like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV. That one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, baby, I need a free. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's nothing. Jump my banana. One side I like and no stopping. Push up, fuck that. That's why I'm a jago. Start to the dance, I'm like I do. Go need the lago. I go show you the bounce and the lago. Cause I be city boy. And as I day for the street, they give me joy. I'm booking me boy. Put them on for Jesus and I'm running me does. Oh, yeah, no.
And the day is over and I'm done with the day. The drag race was so nice. Oh my gosh. As you guys would have seen by the snippets, like it was going bananas. It was going crazy. And yeah, I'm home now and I'm so fucking tired. And I just want to get it over and done. You know, so just gonna chill maybe have some drinks, and like I'm shivering like this because I'm really like feeling cold. So I'm gonna take off these clothes and maybe wear my pajamas because what do you mean? Yo, good night, sugars, and thank you so much for watching.
Talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love you like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, if you leave, I go stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day you don't need no other body.
Sugars, we are still on the vlog, and today is a Sunday. We are on our way to Joburg, and yeah, where are we? I don't know where we are because that sign over there, it's saying Botshabelo, but also I see Bloemfontein. I think we are somewhat in Bloemfontein, I'm just not sure. Then we are at Chicken Licken buying food, because this is basically gonna be our breakfast. So our checkout was at 11 and then we left at 11, and then yeah, the process at the border wasn't a lot versus when we went. So yeah, so we are on our way to Joburg, and tomorrow it's a holiday. I'm so excited, so don't go anywhere. Watch until the end of the vlog. There's something exciting I'm gonna say at the end. Yeah. Oh, and another thing, don't ask me why one of my hands is outside, because I mean the weather is cold, hot, rainy, snowy. There's a lot happening. Look at the weather now. I swear 2 minutes ago it was rain, it was drizzling somewhere. So the weather is unpredictable. That's why I'm wearing the way I'm wearing. So yeah, I just thought I should say that I look so pretty.
Yeah, you believe I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day you don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel